Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Endothermic questions get easy fast when you track energy flow. If breaking reactant bonds costs more than forming product bonds releases, the reaction absorbs energy. First, endothermic. The reaction takes in energy overall, so the energy needed to break bonds in the reactants must be greater than the energy released when products form. Here, that means compare breaking the bonds in CH2O with forming the bonds in H2 and CO. And watch this. If the release were larger, the process would be exothermic instead. So the only matching statement says breaking CH2O bonds requires more energy than forming H2 and CO releases, which is exactly option D. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Trap, signs, and rushing. Rule, trust the given endothermic clue, then check the bond energy comparison carefully.